Hello, this is Chanakya Joshi from Get a Connect, and you are listening to the CLO Talks. Our mission is to help you use learning for real business outcomes. In the last episode, we found out how to prevent business failure by identifying early symptoms of potential harmful problems, that is, symptoms you should look for to avoid any major problem that might pop up in future. Find out early signs that will help you take decisions proactively so that your organizations run smoothly. We have covered a lot of ground by now. In this episode, let's relook at the core and find out how exactly are we going to use learning for real business outcomes. But before that, a reminder about this podcast. Our mission is to help you use learning for real business outcomes, and we are going to cover each and everything step by step to help you reposition your L&D. Build learning funnels to scale up your business and achieve that mission. To ensure that you don't miss out on the future episodes, do like and subscribe to this podcast and continue this journey to revitalize your L&D. Coming back to the topic. We have covered a lot of ground by now. Let's recap. We started with our goal of using learning for real business outcomes few weeks back. We then launched our Corporate OutLearning Practice, explored the future trends, and found out their impact on our business models. Found out our new competitive advantage accordingly, and built our new capability model, which led us to create our own corporate playbooks for all our identified core capabilities. We then did the troubleshooting of our organization to find out where our existing things are broken and how we can work on them using learning. We have surely covered a lot of distance. But our job will not bear fruits unless we convert all this into our learning funnels, which is the agenda of today. Let's collate all the work done till now and finalize our learning funnels so that we institutionalize this and scale it further. Let's understand what do we mean by learning funnels. We are all familiar with sales funnels. Mostly, organization is tuned around the revenue. No revenue means no business. When you think of revenue, you think of sales funnels. You think of getting more and more customers. A typical sales funnel looks like this. It has awareness at the top, then interest, desire, and action at the bottom. It is an extremely powerful template, but is underused because of two reasons. Number one, it is only about the customer. Why not use the same for all stakeholders? Customers, employees, and partners. Number two, it involves content at all the steps. Most of us ignore creating content because it takes a lot of time. In addition, as per the number one reason, we only focus on our customers. We don't create content for all stakeholders. Why not make the best educational content about us as a company, product, business partner? It will not only appeal to future customers, but also to future employees and future partners. Why not create content to not only sell our products, but also our company as a great place to work, our company as a great business partner? That's what learning funnels do. Think of each one of our stakeholders, our customers, partners, employees, and map them to a learning funnel we call as C-Naught funnel, where C stands for capture, starting from the top of the funnel, N for nurture, O for onboard, and T for train at the bottom of the funnel. Think of educational content at each stage of this funnel. For the top of the funnel, capture stage, the content will be used to attract each of our stakeholders. At the second in line, nurture stage, the content will engage them with our brand. On board, once they buy our product, if they are customers, or once we hire them, if they are employees or partners, the content we are going to use to onboard them will come here. Train. The training content which will be used to train them on an ongoing basis will come here. This is the bottom stage of learning funnel. Once we do all this for all our stakeholders, our learning funnels are ready. This is nothing but the education-led marketing to capture, nurture, onboard, and train all our stakeholders. These are our learning funnels. We can use them for real business outcomes. There are different innovative use cases coming out of this. We will cover all of them in future episodes. I hope this episode was useful to you. You will find all the required text and related links in our newsletter called the CLO Journal. There is a single link in the description below which will open the door to all the relevant links to our newsletters available on different platforms. We will continue our journey to use learning for real business outcomes in future episodes with furthermore insights and cover the whole gamut of corporate L&D and start moving towards L&D 2.0. Thank you for listening and see you in the next episode. Till then, outlearn and think of how you can reposition your L&D like R&D.